How to fix audio not working after Windows 11 22H2 update. 1. Run the audio troubleshooter. 2. Update, with the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, or, rollback driver with device manager, if you can. 3. Uninstall the reported. /bug EKB5017321 and KB5017026, if applicable. 4. Install the KB5019509 update. 5. Restart Windows Audio Service and make it run automatically. 6. Go to https://learn.micro n-us/windows/release-health/status-windows-11-22h2. Windows 11, version 22h2 known issues and notifications for more trips.